Well, sa totoo lang, it wasn't really on the legal strategy side. It was more of, doon naman sa naging testimonya ng witness, wala naman tayong nakitang issue doon. Wala namang questionable, wala namang damaging na nailabas ang ating witness. At regular lang naman na yung witness ay nag-identify ng mga cheque at hindi naman natin kino-question yun. So, I didn't want to prolong the proceedings and, be petty by asking questions pa kung hindi naman kinakailangan. Well, kasi yung unusual para sa akin, that's the opinion nung bank manager. I don't see how it will affect the case. Hindi naman siya matter at issue dito. Hindi naman kine-question yung validity noong encashment, diba? So, I thought it was petty, no? For us to even dwell on that. The only questions I raised was, I just wanted to clarify kung bakit nga nag-exit, no, sa labas. But again, I cannot really dwell on the merits, pero at least ma-explain ko lang kung bakit ganun ang naging approach ko sa cross-examination. Just to dispel any insinuations, doubts, whatever, as to bakit sa fire exit. But, our job is to just elicit the answers from the witnesses, no, and to clarify certain matters. So, as you can see naman, and as I've always said, I'm committed to not delaying the proceedings. So kung hindi naman, and that's just not me, but the entire defense team, no? So kung hindi naman kailangan magtanong pa ng additional questions, we don't want to be petty about things.